Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking scoped AR weapon in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw in a huge rectangle, and it's going to be almost the full body of the gun. So it's going to be pretty long. So just a rectangle, and then let's work on the trigger part so we know where we are. And then so with this line here about the midpoint in the middle, just draw a line coming down. Okay, and then from this point to this point, almost in the middle, just kind of slightly over to the right, draw another line, and this is going to be the part where the magazine goes into, so we're going to close that. Then we're going to give this a little bit of detail. Alright, and then now let's go back and draw the trigger part. So we're going to come down a little bit from here. We're going to come down, that's going to be the grip. So in here we're going to come back. Okay, and then now we're going to draw in just two another lines. And we're going to connect this, just give this an overall angle slant to it. And then here's the trigger. And then now let's finish up the handle, the grip. So we're going to come down, just kind of close it, give it a little bit curve. And then here on the detail and the grip, just a little bit of a curve like that. Alright, so now we know where we are in the gun. So let's finish up the magazine. So the magazine, we're going to start here. Just going to curve it. Start here, just curve it. Close it off, and we'll give a little bit of detail here. And then on the magazine there's going to be just some detail. We're just going to draw two more lines with the same curve, so that part's easy. Alright, so from here let's add some more detail up here. So right here in the middle where we started, just going to come up, and then we're going to come across this way, so another long rectangle. And then on this part, we're going to continue this line, come about halfway, gonna slant it down, and then we're just going to go straight across to the end. Okay, and then in here, this is, I draw a little rectangle right above this. This is where the shells come out. And then let's see, let's add in just a little bit of grip here, so we can draw in a rectangle right here. And then we're going to extend it because the grip actually comes down a little bit. And you can leave that line there. It actually makes it more complicated. And then for this, we're just going to add in some lines for the grip. And it looks like there's some tape here on this one, so just draw like little two slanted rectangles. Alright, so let's keep going up, and right around here again in the middle, I draw a line and just go straight across and go back up. And then there's gonna be some details here. Just draw in three thick lines. Okay, and I know there's some detail here, but let's move on to the other parts of the gun first. So right here, we're gonna come up just a little bit, and then we're gonna draw another rectangle, but slanted on this side, so just a little bit. Okay, and then now we're gonna come up with a bigger rectangle. And now we're gonna draw in the, let's draw in the barrel. So from here, right around here, gonna come straight across. Gonna just go up, and I know there's tape, but it's a lot easier to draw it this way. So you can always erase it out later. So just drawing one rectangle like this, and right above it, we'll draw another rectangle, but we're gonna end it a lot shorter. And then we're gonna start here, let's draw one more. And then from here, now I know there's tape, so you can draw a tape just right across, and then another tape wrapping there, and then you just kind of erase up those lines. Okay, so let's finish up the barrel. So this part's gonna flare out. Close it. Then we're gonna pinch back in a little bit. Let's close that. And then now for the tip. A little bit wider, and then there's some detail here, so you can draw a line there and then just kind of come in back into the barrel. And smaller details, there's a little screw there. And okay, let's add in the little skull then. So I'm just gonna draw 2 dots and then just go around it. Okay, let's just keep it simple. All right, so now let's draw in the sight. So again, right around the middle, slightly over to this side, we're gonna come up with 1 rectangle. And then we're gonna draw another one, pretty much the same thing on this side. So now we're gonna draw the sight. So just rectangle, continue that line, let's close it, and then just extend it, draw a bigger rectangle. All right, and then for the front part, this one's gonna slant up more, and this part is gonna slant slightly. Okay, then close that off, and now we can go out for the slide. And then this part is gonna be slanted, so just go longer in this one, and then just connect that. And then let's see, it's got 2 stripes, so we're gonna draw 1 stripe and 1 more. And if you want to, you can add in this little cover. So draw a little box like that, and then just another rectangle slant. All right, I think it actually looks cooler without that, so maybe you don't want to draw that one. Okay, so let's move on to the stock. So from here, just gonna go straight out, and the bottom here, almost the same line as that, we're just gonna go out. Close it off, and then we're gonna draw 1 big line here. This is gonna be I guess the end of the stock, the butt of the stock. Let's close that off, and then here we're gonna draw 1 curve and then another curve. Okay, and then in here we're adding some details, so we can add in another line, and then let's add in just like a little rectangle shape here. And then there's gonna be 3 bolts or screws. And that is it for this scoped AR weapon in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. Please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.